Hi everybody, this is Gloria Giraldo in collaboration with my partner Chefs Are In. Welcome back. Today I'll show you the second part of last recipe. This time I'm gonna show you how to make mole, Mexican mole. So let's get started with the ingredients, and at the same time I'm gonna show you the recipe. Para aquellos que hablan español pueden encontrar los ingredientes y la receta completa en la descripción que se encuentra abajo del video. Empecemos. To make Mexican mole with the fastest way, we're going to need this Dona Maria Mole. You can find it on the supermarket in the Spanish aisle. This ancho chile dried, 2 morita chile dried, 3 or 4. Also you can find them in the same place in the Spanish aisle. Sesame seeds, as much as you want, 3 bay leaves dried, 2 tomatoes, 1 small onion, 1 cup of vegetable broth, 3 tortillas, flour tortillas. We also need cinnamon, 2 spoons, peanut butter, 1 spoon, cocoa powder, 3 spoons, cumin, 1 spoon, salt, as much as you want, sugar, 2 spoons, and vegetable oil, 1 spoon. Now we're going to mix the onion, tomatoes, and chiles, the mole Maria, the 3 tortillas that you can coat it a little bit, the bay leaves, the vegetable broth, the sugar, salt, the cocoa powder, and the peanut butter. We're gonna blend all this. Added another cup of vegetable broth because the mixture was thick. We're going to add the cumin. When it is almost to boil, we're going to add the cinnamon and keep stirring the mixture. You should stir the mixture all the time. Keep stirring the mixture, otherwise it becomes sticky. This is the consistency of the mole. Not too liquid, not too sticky. It is ready to serve.
Mole is one of the most traditional dishes in Mexico. It's part of the Mexican culinary culture. It's basically one of the most sought after dishes in Mexico and also here in the States. A lot of restaurants have that. This is a very healthy recipe. You'll enjoy it. I know that this is one of the best dishes that you'll try. Check the recipe and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also comment. Visit my website chefsarain.com and enjoy it.
The rest of mole I have will be frozen and perfect for enmoladas next time.